company. Tell me one of your success stories that you've worked with, maybe a business that you've helped to actually help them build their business.
Mm-hmm.
How has it impacted them?
So I was actually most recently working with a real estate investor, who is actually doing rehab projects. So he typically buys undervalued single family homes and then invest like $50,000 to $100,000 on the project, and then he really makes big money from there.
Awesome.
Because he has his own after repair values, and he has his own way to stage the project and sell it in the market. But every time he gets to a point where he's out of money, so his ability to rehab 2 homes, 3 homes, 4 homes, 5 homes, 10 homes is directly proportional to the money that he can bring onto the table. He has access to the deals.
Yes.
So right now he is only able to do one at a time, even though he has those deals in the market. He's unable to go and take the next one because he's out of money all the time.
Right.
Because he has to do certain work on the building and then get it staged and then get it to market, and then from there look for the deal and then do it again. So this whole process takes about 4 to 6 months in many cases. Now his challenge is that I have deals.
Right.
There are many investors who don't have deals. But now if I have the ability to have that access of extra $100,000 or $150,000, maybe I can add 2 more projects on the side.
Right.
So within that 6-month span, I can sell 3 homes instead of 1 home, right?
Yes, I see.
So that's how he approached us. And we said, okay, this is a great situation for you now, for you to work on building business credit. Like we always say that realistically it takes about 6 to 8 months for you to build that business credit, because based on your company. And he started working with us while he's doing one of his projects. By about 6th month, he was able to get unsecured business credit